The first step to heat apply SuperTEK Sublistop is to load your garment onto the press and get your printing area flat. At that point, you're ready to set the temperature, the time, and the pressure. SuperTEK Sublistop applies at 280 degrees for 2 steps of 5 seconds each. So I have 280 degrees set. I have my first timer set at 5 seconds. And then on this press, it has 2 timers, so I set my second timer for 5 seconds as well. This product requires a medium pressure. So you want to make sure you adjust your pressure knob for a medium pressure. And on this Hotronix Auto Open Clam, I can actually lock the press down, and it'll give me a digital pressure display on the control board. It's reading at a 5, which I know is a medium pressure because the scale is from 0 to 9. So make sure you adjust it to a medium on your particular press. With all of that set, I'm ready to conduct my preheat. I'll just preheat for the 5 seconds to remove the moisture and wrinkles from the garment. Then I take my SuperTEK Sublistop design. I'll remove the backing away from it to reveal the charcoal adhesive. And your print goes charcoal adhesive side down onto the garment. And then we're going to make sure, it's very important, that we use a cover sheet with this product. The first application step is just going to be 5 seconds, so very quick. Just enough to temporarily get the Sublistop to hold to the garment. And then I warm peel the backing of the mask off. Depending on the fabric that you're applying to, this warm peel may be able to be done sooner rather than later, especially on synthetic fabrics. 100% polyester, you can kind of warm peel it nearly right away. Once the backing is removed, you want to cover it with a cover sheet. I like using the craft paper because it keeps the nice matte finish of the SuperTEK Sublistop product. Then I'll heat apply for an additional 5 seconds to finish the print. It's a very low temperature, very quick application. Once this is applied, I remove my cover sheet and I have a highly durable, completed result.